Very quick video here. So I've got one of the newer style Build-A-Bear voice boxes. I'm assuming if you're looking at this, you're trying to replace the batteries in there. So you've already got it open. You already know how to unstuff it to the point where you can get it out. I'm not going to go over that. So these ones, this is already taken apart, have little pressure points right here. To get it open, you're going to need a flat screwdriver, and you're going to want to put pressure on both of these on one side, and then it will come out. It's going to be a little bit difficult to do, but you really don't want to bust those tabs. So here's the guts I've already done. You will need a size 0 to get these two screws out. And then simply after that, it's got two little LR44s right here. You can get them on eBay. So I would not recommend these ones right here for Build-A-Bear. These are perfect if you've got like remotes or Tamagotchi that you can get to real easy. If it's your personal Build-A-Bear, go ahead, but if you're repairing for a child, go ahead and buy the Energizer ones, like from a drugstore or somewhere, so that you don't have to replace them again in 2 years, because those usually last a little longer. And yeah, it should be that simple. The hardest part is those little tabs. I've been messing with this for a while, trying to do one on each side, and it didn't work. Both on the same side worked fine on both attempts. And as far as I know, the recording does stay on here. Just looking at this, I'm in the middle of replacing this, but this is some copyrighted song that was in a Build-A-Bear I bought, so I'm not going to play it. It's also just, you know, the battery's gone bad, so it barely plays. But that should be it. Hopefully this helps someone, and so they don't spend, 3 hours trying to get it undone without breaking it like I did.